Today, I want to show you exactly how to create a social post, and we are going to cover two of the options, surprise me and caption and suggested image. So let's get this kicked off. Let me share my screen here. So this is the product. I love it. I'm an affiliate of it. I encourage you to use it, and you're going to see why. So first, we're going to talk about Surprise Me. This is AI trained. I've answered questions. I've given it information about me, my companies and products, and what I do. And from that, it is going to generate a social post pertinent to me, written in my tone and manner, that I can share across social media. So let's say we're going to click Surprise Me, and it's going to surprise me with a post that reads, "Hey, Facebook fam, one of my all-time favorite quotes. If you aren't in the moment, you are either looking forward to uncertainty or back to pain and regret. Jim Carrey." Now, it says, "Hey, Facebook fam," because Facebook selected. Say I want to put this out on Twitter. I'm going to click Twitter, and it's going to rewrite it a little bit. "Hey, Twitter fam, absolutely love this Jim Carrey quote. If you aren't in the moment, you are either looking for it or uncertain." You get the gist. It also suggests an image. You can change that image. You can upload your own image if you so choose. So, with that having been said, we're going to click Get Started. It's going to download the image and copy the words to my clipboard. I'm going to click Post. It's immediately going to open up X, not Twitter, X, and allow me to paste that, add my image that it downloaded for me, and there we go. Everything is cool. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Let's add that. I've got Grammarly plugged into my browser so we can go and post. That's simple to generate a piece of content relevant to you. Say I want to post the same thing on Facebook. Let's go back to Facebook. There's my quote. Get started, downloads the image, and post. And again, it opens Facebook. With Facebook open, I can again paste, add my image. Now, every time you click post, it's going to download the image again. So you can see you're going to have to go into your downloads and clean it up from time to time. But there we go. And with that having been said, I can click post. I just want it out on my personal profile, none of the other pages that we manage, and post, and it's going to appear on my wall here shortly. So with that one tool, you can easily post at least one piece of content per social platform daily in just a few seconds. So we are going to move back to number one, post to social media, and we're going to explore caption and suggest an image. Now, I've got a little work to do here. What product or service do I want to promote? We'll say B. Colburn Coaching. What do I want my objective to be? To inspire, entertain, educate, or promote? Let's inspire. It's Friday. Celebrate. Having an issue. Celebrate your family this weekend. And I'm going to click generate. That easy. Because I've trained the AI, it's going to write something pertinent to me. Hey everyone, it's Friday. What better time to celebrate our families? This weekend, let's unplug, cherish those precious moments, and create unforgettable memories. Remember, family is the heart of everything we do. As Dave Ramsey says, the love in our family flows strong and deep, leaving us memories to treasure and keep. Hashtag family first, hashtag weekend vibes. You can see it's even giving us emojis and hashtags. How cool is that? Let's throw this to LinkedIn. Again, it's going to rewrite the content because LinkedIn is a little more professional platform than Facebook, which was selected. And we're going to click Get Started, Post. Of course, it's going to open my LinkedIn because that's what I said. And I'm going to paste that. I'm going to add that image and click Next and Post. And there we go. It is posted on my LinkedIn platform. So we talked about Surprise Me, and we talked about caption and suggest an image. In later videos, we're going to go through other options on this. I hope this video has helped convince you that this tool is going to save you time and energy building and growing your social media following. And with that having been said, I want to share this with you. We post to social media so we can build authority, grow a following, cultivate leads, nurture prospects, and engage with clients. That is why we're doing what we're doing. And this tool is going to allow us to do that faster, with efficiency, and help us to grow our social media following. I want to thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.